Lifeline Road, and which is under HSCL. And this problem is, since the very beginning, neither the PWD can do the repairing, neither the HSCL do the repairing. In between, the public are the most sufferer, especially the ill, aged person and pregnant women. Report joint visit has been done, but nothing has been action taken. So I request through you to Honorable CM Sir, public want this road to be maintained whether from the PW department or from the HSCL. And it is stretch, the road stretch is about 30 kilometers, and 12 kilometers is not a motorable condition. And my DM, SDM, BDO, all the officer knows about it. And also would like to bring the kind attention. SK Sandun Road, which is about 26 kilometers, it is Arden Road, Kacha Road, and it has not been repaired. DPR has been sent, but financial this improvement has not yet received by the state. And another, sir, regarding health, I have raised this issue at the very first assembly session, and also has written it regarding it. Restarting of Bandarima PHC. It seems only one MPW runs the PHC and also gets some support from the nearby hospital, that is Anandabazar CHC. And letter has been written dated 28/6/23 to the Director Family Welfare and Preventive Medicine from the CMO, and I have written against it, but till now nothing has been taken. So I request the Honorable Minister Sir to kindly look into it, because as in the para 5 it is written last mile delivery of government services. But if the Bandarima PHC is not yet started, so that will be unfair. And regarding one more point that I want to highlight, we all know that Jampiil Hills is a famous tourist spot, but day by day there was incident. There is a border dispute between our neighboring state, that is Mizoram and Tripura, and regarding this, there have been a number of instances where the neighboring state says this is our land, and the state government says this is our land. So this problem has been going on for a long time, but I don't know why the state government has not taken any dialogue with the neighboring state. So I request our Honorable CM Sir to kindly look into it, so that our land should not be encroached, and whatever it is, it should be as per dialogue. So I request the high level delegation should visit and look into it. And lastly, I would like to conclude my speech, because everyone has taken lots of time. I guess I'm trying to cover it. As Dr. Block is an aspirational block, here, after a number of meetings with all the concerned department and field visit, it has come to my notice that a proper communication between different departments is not taking place. For an example, in a panchayat, in the BC, DWS do the Har Ghar Jal Yojana, and side by side, PWD or RD builds a water tank. The water tank is built so that the water can be stored, but the water is overflowing, it's not being stored. So regarding this, I have already said to different concerned department, but still no action has been taken. So this only shows there is no coordination and proper communication between different departments. As an aspirational block, sir, there is a huge shortage of manpower in block, in hospital, in PS. So I will request, because aspirational block is something that is not at a par with other blocks. So to bring the aspirational block to the mainstream for implementing various government schemes and successfully implementing, the main 2 points that is needed is, first is a proper road connectivity, and the second thing is proper efficient manpower. In this regard, sir, I would like to conclude my speech that because of this reason, I do not find that how could I support the Governor His Excellency's speech. Hence, I end my speech in support of opposition amendment. Thank you.